folks, Apple are cheeky. When I first went to order the MacBook Air, it told me that it was going to come on Thursday. Then I went to order it and then it said it was going to be Wednesday. Today's Tuesday, so it's launch day and it's here. This has never happened. Like, I've never gotten a delivery from Apple on launch day, so this is a big thing. This is a big thing. I'm very happy. Shall we just get straight into it then? Oh my gosh. Ooh, you can already tell what colour I got by the title of this video, but oh. Obviously we have the Apple logo here, and we also have MacBook Air here as well, but you don't care about that. You don't. Oh, hello. First impressions. It's light, but it's heavy, if that makes sense. Let's put it this way for a second. Okay. Be careful, Shay. Okay. Ooh, this colour is sexy. It is sexy indeed. Wow. For how big this is, this does feel quite light. The colour is definitely not being picked up on camera because depending on the light, you can see so many different colours. But this is Starlight, baby. And are you ready? Are you ready? She's gorgeous. She is really, really gorgeous. You can just see my ring light reflecting. Let me try and... yeah, there we go. She is gorgeous. This is the Starlight, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Starlight. I'm not gonna lie, it is light for what it is. Like, this thing is thin. Deep it. You're getting your MagSafe 2 Thunderbolt 4s, and you also have your headphone jack on this side too. But like, I hope you're seeing the colour. The colour is gorgeous. Okay. Sorry, I know. Back to me. I'm so sorry, but I'm not sorry. Because you half came here for me. You did. What else is in the box, you ask? Well, this is what I'm here for, to tell you that. So we get our information. We get our braided cable to match. It colour matches the Starlight laptop. And you have your 2 USB-C ports.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I was talking serious, not being so rude. So rude. This is the 35-watt dual port power adapter. So it's only 35 watts, it's not that much, but you can level up to get the 70-watt USB-C power adapter, but it just won't come with 2 USB-C ports like this one does. It will come with 1, but it will be more powerful than this. It's the same price regardless of which one you get, so you won't have to pay like an extra £10 like they usually do to get the high wattage power adapter. Just FYI. Starlight stickers, yay! And it comes on like a paperback instead of the plastic that it comes with, but it's more papery. But I have my MacBook here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them side by side so you can see a cheeky comparison between the both. Please note that my MacBook on the left, it has a case on it, so it looks significantly thicker than the Air. Something to note about the MacBook Air is that it has no speakers. So you know, on the MacBook, or any other MacBooks really, that's currently in the lineup of the Apple Silicon world, they have speakers apart from this one. It's just the speakers are right here, just between the screen and the actual keyboard itself. So that's kind of cool. And as you heard, it's still very loud. Obviously the MacBook Pro speakers are better, but listen, if you want a more pro experience, get the MacBook Pro. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm not here to review the MacBook Air. I'm here to unbox it for you and show you how pretty it looks. But a couple of specs as well. To note, this is the base model MacBook Air. I can't lie, it is so light. I can't get over how light it is. It's still heavy enough to be a laptop, but for the size that it is, it looks like it's supposed to be a lot heavier than it looks, if that makes sense. I know I've said that already, but just to reiterate, cool. This is the MacBook Air and its corresponding charger. I love the color matching. I wish all of MacBook's accessories, especially the Pro lineup, was color matched. I don't know why they neglected the Pros for color matching. I got the 15-inch MacBook Air with the M2 chip. This has an 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine. It has 8 GB of unified memory, 256 GB of SSD storage. The actual screen is 15.3 inches and it has a liquid retina display with true tone. It has your 1080p FaceTime HD camera. It has a MagSafe 3 charging port and 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports. It has a backlit Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. You can obviously choose to spec it with Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro, but that will incur extra costs. Apple Care is also available depending on the country that you're in. Like I said to you in my previous video, this definitely came at the right time. I think people love bigger sized things. If you definitely want portability, the MacBook Air 13-inch M2 chip is also available on the market, but now we have this 15-inch and I feel like it will be one of the best sellers, absolutely, hands down. I don't think it's going to be like you have your iPhone 14 and 14 Plus and the Plus didn't sell that well, even though they thought it was going to because people like the bigger phones. I don't think it's going to be anything like that. I think this is going to be a hit. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be a hit. But the 13-inch M2 Air is definitely lighter than this, but if you're here for that bigger screen, but you don't need all the pro features, then this is it for you. The colors that it comes in are Midnight, Starlight, Space Gray, and Silver. Obviously, I got the Starlight version. Hands down the best color out of the 4. That's just my opinion, me personally. I love it. I just like to point out that we have a 13-inch MacBook Air, a 14-inch MacBook Pro, a 15-inch MacBook Air, and a 16-inch MacBook Pro. And they are all available with the M2 chip. Isn't that wavy? Doesn't this now feel complete? Yes, it does. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I'll see you in my next video.